To turn on and off that famous light that we see on Sonos product, you want to go in the application and reach the setting tab, and then select the room that you want to turn on or off the light. In that case, this is the chambre des maîtres. And we go at the very bottom and you will find status light. So if I set this to off, as you can see, if I turn off the lights of the room, well, actually it's off and now it's on. Off, on. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there is from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!